What's up, nerds? It's your buddy, the Reverend from the Bearded Brewers. Here's a quick tip for you with regards to your motorcycle woes. If you're like me and you ride your motorcycle a lot, every now and then you might run into something like this. Your right turn signal works great. Your left one takes a little bit more effort. Not as smooth. Before you go into panic mode, it's a very easy fix, and you have to do it just a couple of times. And anybody who disagrees, you're welcome to disagree. What do you need? Phillips head screwdriver and a can of dry lube. I prefer Blaster Advanced Dry Lube with Teflon. And you simply remove the screws. Backing, just place it aside somewhere that you can't lose it. It's also a good idea to put your screws somewhere where you won't lose them. Carefully remove the housing. Here's the mechanism right here where my thumb is for the turn signal. And then you reassemble the housing. Then turn your engine on to get battery, and like magic, just a simple slide, and you're ready to ride again without worrying about that turn signal not working. So remember, when you ride safe, keep the rubber on the road, keep the bike upright, don't drink and drive. You know, all that stuff. Hope you liked watching the quick tip. And if you didn't, sorry. If you want to see anything else, let me know. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks again for watching. This has been the Reverend with the Bearded Brewers Reviews Motorcycle Tips. Cheers.